What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. In this video, we're going to talk about a new EDC belt. Let's go. Like I said, man, in this video, we're going to talk about a new EDC belt. I have a belt that I use now for everyday carry. It started off cool, but honestly, it starts to stretch out. When I put my firearm in my belt, it stretches out. It doesn't have that firm grip, man. So we got a new EDC belt in that we tried. We loved it. So we got another one sent out that will definitely be given away to you guys. And that company is, I don't know if you can see that. It's called Core Essentials, man. They make some great products, man. Their EDC belts are great. Their battle belts are great. And that's the only belts we use here at Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. So like I said, we got a new EDC belt in. We're going to unbox it, unpackage it, let you guys see exactly the quality that this product is built with. Enough talking. Let's head over to the table. All right, guys. Welcome back to the table. And as we have right here, as you can see, a great EDC belt from Core Essentials. This is not our first EDC belt from Core Essentials. The first few we did not do a review on, so you know we had to do a quick unboxing and then give you guys an extended wear review. This is the packaging that your belt comes in. You can see the Core Essentials branding. Core Essentials booklet, and this right here is just giving you all the information about the belt. Thanks for choosing Core, classic fashion belts, EDC gun belts. Just basically giving you the breakdown of exactly the width of the belt, etc., etc. Let you guys take a look at that. Here's the sizing your belt and what to do before you actually wear your belt. The good thing about the Core belts, man, you cut these things to size. You want to cut with caution, of course, but you cut them to size. All right. Now, let's see what you get inside the box. This right here. Get a nice belt buckle. Man, this belt buckle actually feels really nice, man. Feels like a quality made belt buckle. And honestly, a lot of EDC belts, I'm not gonna say a lot, but some of them, man, the buckles are ugly. The belts just look ugly. You could tell it's a firearm belt, man. With this buckle, your shirt may fly up a little bit or something like that. You can't really tell that this is a EDC firearm belt. This buckle just looks good, and it feels good, man. It's nice and quality made. We have the actual belt. This feels like some kind of Velcro strap. Okay, they threw in a nice hanger, as you can see here. Guessing this hanger is optional, but they went ahead and threw that in. Also, the screws and the Allen key for your belt. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Let's put this buckle here. Let's get the belt. As you can see, this is the EDC belt. Yeah, like I said, this is the EDC belt. It actually has, I don't know if you guys can see that if the camera is picking it up. It actually has numbers inside of here. Guess it's letting you know exactly where to cut it. And this is probably where your buckle would be. So you would cut the belt from this end. Man, this belt feels amazing. Not even gonna lie to you, man, this belt Feels amazing, man. Core is really a quality belt. A previous EDC belt that I was using, you put it on, put your firearm on it. It actually started stretching, man. I get what they tried to do, but they failed at it. The stretchy belt just doesn't make sense for EDC use. But man, this belt here is nice and sturdy. They're extremely comfortable, but I won't, like I said, I won't get into that. This is just simply an unboxing. Wanted you guys to see the quality of the Core products. Again, put this belt buckle on this belt. Sheesh. This is what you're gonna get. Again, this is just quality made stuff. This is, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing. We're gonna do the actual testing of the belt, letting you guys know how it felt under extensive wear, under extensive testing, and if it actually stood up to wearing and carrying it day in, day out for a long period of time, man. Again, this is Core Essentials. Let's go. As you saw, man, Core Essentials makes a great product. Their EDC belts are amazing. The battle belts are great too. We'll definitely have a review of the battle belt so you guys can see what that's all about. But back to what we're talking about, that EDC belt, man. It's quality made. It can fit any size person, man. You just cut it to size, man. You cannot beat that. The EDC belt is amazing. Like I said, we will be giving one away, so definitely stay tuned. But if you can't wait for us to give one away, you can use this affiliate code right here to get you one at a special discount, man. Again, check out clarksfirearmtraining.com. Get your merch, schedule your classes, etc., etc. It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety.